Welcome to an overview demonstration of the forecasting module from DELMIAworks.
Today, we will see how the Enterprise IQ system can help ensure optimal performance to maintain customer satisfaction while maximizing profits. Today, we will see how the forecasting module can make it easier to plan for material as well as labor and machine capacity based on current and projected orders. We will take a look at two types of forecasts and what each one drives. We will also review how forecasts can be entered or generated and what that data can be used for. Let's start with the two different types of available forecasts: production forecasts and sales analysis forecasts. Production forecasts are used to drive both capacity planning for machines and labor, while sales analysis forecasts drive budgeting and allow you to perform what-if scenarios if forecast numbers increase or decrease by customer. You can have multiple sales analysis forecasts to support planning and budgeting. Users are allowed one production forecast to determine material and resources needed to support the customer anticipated demand. Forecasts can be created in several ways. The first option is manually entering data into each month. Users can choose to enter forecasts for specific customers or for the item itself. The second option for generating forecasts is doing so based on past orders, shipments, or forecasts.
Users can also create an unlimited number of forecast formulas to be used over and above those provided by DELMIAworks.
The forecasting module will also provide a formula to users if they are unsure which of them to use. The screen will evaluate based on user past history and determine which formula makes the most sense to use to generate forecasts moving forward. The third option is to load via EDI or to import from an Excel spreadsheet. Forecasts can also generate work orders if you so choose. Work orders that are generated based on forecast detail can be scheduled on the production floor or can simply be used for material planning purposes as well as machine and labor capacity planning. Let's take a look at the available detail on the forecast screen. The middle section of the screen displays three tabs: Forecast, Shipped, and On Order. The Forecast tab provides users with the monthly sum of each item. Selecting each month will show you the breakdown by customer and due date if entered. For example, when we select the month of June 2017 for this item, we can see that one forecast is specific to a customer, with a quantity, price break, and date required, while the other is considered non-specific, meaning it isn't tied to any one customer. The Shipped tab shows amount shipped for each item per month. The On Order tab shows the amount ordered for each item per month. The bottom section of the screen displays two tabs, Quantity and Amount, both allowing users to view different data within the overall forecast screen. The Quantity tab allows users to view details based on part quantity, while the Amount tab allows users to view these same details based on dollar amount. Users can explode sales analysis type forecasts to evaluate requirements for forecasted top-level items based on their default BOMs. This will create visibility of all components and provide work center and labor capacity information.
DELMIAworks provides a complete toolset to not only create, modify, and analyze forecasts, but users can also use production forecasts to drive material planning as well as machine and labor capacity business decisions. Thank you for taking the time to watch this overview of the DELMIAworks forecasting module. If you would like more information on the products and services from DELMIAworks, please visit 3ds.com/DELMIAworks.